Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share a new nail art tutorial that's both easy and quick to recreate. In just a few minutes you will have a stunning design as you can see on the screen. Don't forget to like and share this video to your friends. Let's dive in and create some beautiful nail art together. Let's start by applying gel polish. I'm using black gel polish but feel free to choose your favorite color. Apply it evenly across the entire nail ensuring no space are left untouched. Remember, we are not curing it under UV light just yet. Instead, apply a thick layer evenly without no gaps. Next, let's create 3 dots using white gel polish or your chosen color. Instead of using a dotting tool, I have directly applied the polish with a brush of larger dots. You can opt for any number of dots you prefer. Simply use the polish brush to create the desired number of dots directly on the nail. Without curing the gel polish under UV light, let's create our nail art. Using a brush, create strokes from the outer to the inner corner of each dot circle we have made with the white gel polish. Repeat this process for as many strokes as you would like, maintaining the same design consistency throughout. Once you have finished with the first dot, move on to the next one. Remember, it's easy to achieve this design even if you don't have a brush. Simply use a toothpick for the same effect. With each stroke, our design will look fab. Now that our design is complete, it's time to set it in place. Cure the nail under UV light for 60 seconds to ensure the design stays intact. Using the dotting tool, let's add 3 dots in the center of the flower to enhance its effect. I have opted for yellow color, but feel free to choose your favorite one. And then cure the nail under UV light for 30 seconds. Once cured, apply a top shiny coat evenly over the entire nail surface, leaving no part untouched. This final step will add an extra layer of shine and protect your nail art. Look at how stunning our design has turned out. If you found this tutorial helpful and enjoyable, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates and videos. Thank you for watching and learning with us. Until next time, take care and goodbye.